What's up, guys? BUSTA is here, and like I'm surprised to be honest. Obviously you guys are here because you guys knew what happened. The Market J obviously has put my video up on his channel, and that just blow up my channel basically. And the video that I uploaded last was 102 to 0 with a MOAB, and got quite a lot of dislikes and obviously a lot of likes. And I guess it's nice, reading all the comments, reading what you guys have said, all the supportive guys. And, I'd like to thank you guys for supporting me and bringing me this far. And, I mean, yeah, a lot of people have been asking questions, actually quite a lot of people. And I just like to say, if you want me to actually reply to it, I'm going to leave a link to my Facebook in the description. It's a page where you guys can just ask something, I can quickly reply. Because YouTube, the message inbox, I don't know if it's glitched for you guys as well, or if it's just me, but when I try and reply to someone's message, it has like this weird username that I'm trying to reply to a guy, and the username that I'm trying to reply to is just not there. It's some weird AB SR3 or some crap. And so yeah, just go on my Facebook, and yeah, we'll see what I can do for you. And basically, this is a 92 to 0 game. It's kind of near my 102 to 0, but it's on resistance, and it's kind of getting boring, I guess. You guys are probably seeing me resistance all the time. I've uploaded like 3 videos now, probably in a row, I guess. But resistance getting boring, so I'll try. I'm gonna do some free-for gameplays, and I'm gonna try and ditch theater mode. This is probably the last video in theater, unless I really get a good video and forget to record it live in the future. But yeah, I mean, I guess it's nice to have some recognition. And like my 102 to 0 video, I don't think it's like the highest KD in the world. I'm sure there's some undercover guy out there who just doesn't know that he can send it into the Market J or Sam or Xjaws or someone out there. And so I guess people found my video finally, and everyone's seeing it, everyone's reading and stuff. And there are a lot of comments. A lot of people are saying things like, "Oh, it's fake," or "It's aimbot," or not this video, my last video, obviously. But it's obvious. I mean, it's theater mode, and theater mode has a lot of problems in this game, guys. Like, you can't even check the leaderboards. You can't check the scoreboard in game until the game ends. It just automatically shows up. And so, basically theater mode, it's really glitchy, it's stuffed up, and like in this game in particular, not my last game, this game is it's pretty laggy at times. You'll see me just stand in one spot and then randomly freeze, and then it'll just switch spots, because that's how theater mode does it. It can't just it has to show the lag, I guess. But I'm gonna try stopping I'm gonna try not use theater mode anymore, and hopefully bring you guys some live commentaries and some tutorials, I guess. I've received a lot of messages saying how can I get 100 KD and 100 plus kills in one game, or just a really great score. And I guess there are some ways, there are some things I need to tell you guys about it, and I will make videos in the future. Not in the future, in the future, but in a couple of videos, now I will upload videos, just saying what kind of setup I use. If you guys, in my previous videos, I don't know if you watched it or not, but I said you can use my setup if you want. It's just scavenger, hardline, and marksman, and those are my perks that I use. I just use the G6 and red dot extended mag, and that's my setup pretty much. There's nothing really I guess you could say unique about it, or not many people use the G6. I guess they all use ACR and all that, but it's up to you guys. You guys want to use my setup, and yeah, but there's those really in depth sort of things I gotta tell you guys, and those are the kind of things, taking where to take your Reaper out, where to take all those kill streaks, special kill streaks, so they didn't die. Because to get 100 plus KD in a game, 100 to 0, flawless, like my last video, you have to make sure you use your claymore right, and you make sure you take it out in the most safest spot. Because Modern Warfare 3 in particular, this game, it tends to spawn flip a lot. I think it spawn flips more than Black Ops, because a lot of people got pissed off at me in my gameplay. They were saying that it took me 10 years to put my claymore down, and pretty much in that game, I forgot to say it in that game, but it was obviously everyone was spawn flipping. Like sometimes my team would spawn at the other side and they'll spawn back here, and I was just confused. Like, you know, basically 80% of the time when I take out a kill streak or something, it's because the other team just spawned with me, basically, where I took out my kill streak or whatever. And yeah, I mean, when I record my videos, I guess I'll try, like this game, speed up the kill streaks. I guess it's not really fun watching an Osprey or Reaper unless, you know, getting like 10 multis in. But yeah, I mean, what's the point in, you know, watching like a 10-minute kill streak or something? You know, it's not that fun. But, you know, I'm going to try and show you guys my other gameplays, you know, not just me like hanging out in one area and, you know, trying to get that kill streak just to, you know, take it out and stuff. But yeah, I'll show you guys some free-for-all gameplay. I do play free-for-all a lot. I said that in my last couple of videos as well, but I haven't really got to it lately because of all this, you know, drama and stuff that's been happening lately. Market J uploading my video, and you know, I was surprised. I didn't think people would actually like tend to like think that we aimbot or anything, but you know, it was obviously this theater mode and all that, and yeah, like I'm just surprised. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, thank you, Market J, if you're watching this video. I don't know if you actually checked out my channel. I knew that you watched the video though that I sent you, and yeah, I'd just like to thank you and thank all of my subscribers that have joined my channel and all that. And yeah, I mean, this game was pretty quick compared to others because of the sped up kill streaks, and I will bring more content later. If you want to check out my Facebook, you know, ask me a question, I will reply. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoy this video, and more content will be uploaded soon. Bye bye.